Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the QQQ ETF. We previously shared an overview on our website, but now we're here to bring you an even more detailed analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We want to make sure you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? We've got you covered with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. It's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, QQQ has gained 6.1% since we first recommended buying it 10 days ago. This means the stock has delivered an average daily return of 0.61% since being listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 signifies our anticipation of high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF has recently broken the horizontal trend upwards. Breaks like this often lead to swift and strong movements. If there is a correction downwards to the break line at around $375.80, it could present a second chance to enter a potential runner. However, it is important to pay attention to the volume and ensure it follows the price, as false breaks may occur and the price could move back into the horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, the ETF is predicted to reach $408.56 within the next 3 months. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 0.753% change expected, with a possible return ranging between minus 11.71% and minus 3.28%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 37.74% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 25.08% and 51.94%. This indicates a price range of $482.34 to $585.90 after 12 months. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings an important headline: QQQ ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 15, 2023, the price of the QQQ ETF increased by 0.0753%, going from $385.33 to $385.62. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.91%, moving between a low of $384.24 and a high of $387.74. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days and has seen a substantial 8.03% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 14 million shares on the last day, with a total of 51 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $19.53 billion. It's important to consider that a decline in volume amidst rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $387.98, while the lowest price was $259.73. At present, the price is 0.61%, equivalent to $2.36, below the 52-week high, and it stands at 5.65%, equivalent to $23.09, below the all-time high reached on November 22, 2021. When the price peaked at $408.71. Today, we're going to dive into the signals for QQQ, the popular ETF. The QQQ ETF has recently shown some promising signs. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals also points towards a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. It's worth noting that on any downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at the price levels of $377.47 and $363.61. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it could issue sell signals, so it's important to keep an eye on it. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 12.21%. This rise indicates a potential further increase until a new top pivot point is reached. So, there might still be room for growth. Another positive signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which also suggests a buy signal. However, it's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. As a result, it's important to closely monitor the ETF. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's dive in. One signal worth noting is the moving average convergence divergence, which gave a buy signal recently. Another signal to pay attention to is the pivots, which also generated a buy signal 15 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator is showing a buy signal from 1 day ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average gave a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average signaled a buy 11 days ago. Likewise, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. Remember, if you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. When it comes to the downside, the ETF QQQ has some key support levels to keep an eye on. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $364.70 and $359.97. Now, it's important to note that when an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the $364.70 support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $359.97 and $343.66. Let's talk about the risk associated with this ETF. QQQ has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the ETF moved $3.51 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 0.91% of its value. Looking at the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 1.18%. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for QQQ, let's first understand some important fundamental data. One such crucial data point is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us evaluate a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for QQQ. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that if the right conditions align, the stock could make a swift upward move. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $373.30, which represents a decrease of 3.19%. This ETF exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 92, which significantly increases the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 14 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Although QQQ shows some positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. We recommend considering it as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, at its current level, while waiting for further development. Our analysis has downgraded this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. When examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, November 16th, we anticipate QQQ to open up $0.245 and begin trading at $385.87. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. StockInvest.us is a valuable resource, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We would love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.